Hey guys, so today I'm ready unboxing from my Paul Mart Chucky figure. I mean left, because he gave me figure I only got this figure, it's Chucky in a doll box for Christmas. Santa got me one. See, anyways, so after I found it from vending machine here at this mall. Anyway, let me open up this package here. See what's inside. Oh, let's see what's inside. Oh yes, I got Chucky digging in a cemetery stone. I only got this guy right there. Is there a party? Oh yeah, there is. Got from this, I got that. I got the second mystery one I got. So cool. So anyway, guys, subscribe, hit my video, start liking my video. Thank you guys liking my video. Anyway, bye.